Welcome to Plutus IAS. Myself VIKAS GUPTA. I am a faculty here, and along with me there are other faculties. We have decided to bring some products. The products surrounded around the questions that all of the students have. So in today's video I will address current affairs. Current affairs means how to study for current affairs, what the sources you can take, how much time it should take. These kind of things we will cover. ठीक है? Okay, fine. अरे यार शीट साफ करनी थी. चलिए दोबारा करते हैं. Welcome to Plutus IAS. Myself VIKAS GUPTA. I am a faculty here for PSIR, Polity and Governance. Apart from that, we have decided to bring some innovative video for you students. We thought that there are a lot of inquiries that comes in, how to prepare, what to do. So we decided why shouldn't we make videos available for everyone, not only for the paid courses, but for everyone to watch. Knowledge is free. As long as you can have it, enjoy it. Internet world we are living in. So with that note, we have started these videos. Some videos we have made, some videos we are making. So every video has a particular dedicated topic that it will address related to the students' queries. Whatever query we receive, we club them and address them. So in today's video, I will address your query regarding current affairs. How to prepare about current affairs, how to deal current affairs, what sources should you pick, what sources you should leave, this kind of thing. And I will assume a minimum level. Whatever I will tell you here is a minimum level of current affairs preparation. Above this, whatever you can add. But that depends on your time. मान लेते हैं you have 3 years of preparation. मान लेते हैं you are in bachelor's and you have 3 years. Then you have a lot of time, you can increase the sources. But if you have to attempt this year only, have to clear in this year. मान लेते हैं you are in the last year of bachelor's and you think that I have to attempt this year. Or maybe your age is about to expire and you have to do this year. In that scenario, I will give you the minimum. तो मिनिमम है जो भी मैं बताऊंगा, दिस इज द मिनिमम यू मस्ट डू इन करंट अफेयर्स. इसके ऊपर वट एवर टाइम परमिट्स, देयर इज नो लिमिट. याद रखिए करंट अफेयर्स इज अ सब्जेक्ट विच हैज नो लिमिटेशन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सेकेंड थिंग यू मस्ट रिमेंबर अबाउट करंट अफेयर्स इज करंट अफेयर्स इज लाइक अ चेरी ऑन द केक. The cake is your entire preparation, your static books, your classrooms, whatever is there, that is the main cake. The cherry that completes the cake is current affairs. So basically what I am trying to say, current affairs are not a different subject. Current affairs is just a superimposed subject. Example, you study polity. Polity mein you studied about, for example, President of India. So President of India, you must have made the notes. In that note, if anything comes in current affairs, just pick that, pick few lines, whichever line is new, because majority of the content is already in your notes. Pick few lines, write in your notes and throw the book. That's how you have to do. I always say the less the book you have in your table, on your table, the better you can study. We are in a digital world anyway. चलिए वो एक अलग बात है. But nonetheless, I hope it is making sense. So let's see the basic, minimum basic of current affairs. The minimum basic of current affairs that I can suggest you is, first thing, editorials. Go through editorial for sure every day. Why? Because editorial provides you analysis. If you watch one of my video regarding answer writing session, वहाँ पे I have told that in bodies you should use scholars. Where you will get those scholars? From here. When in editorial you are analyzing something, when you read an article, always note down the author's name. Whenever you're writing that in mains, to mention the authors, that as said by this XYZ scholar, this is that. बात समझ में आ रही है? Always pick a scholar, and editorials में आपको मिलेगा analysis. That's very important. Second thing is about with respect to daily events. अब daily, apart from editorial, whatever is in the newspaper, I say skip it. You can, अगर आप पे टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा है तो you can study that. But remember, newspapers are written not for UPSC student but for a journal reader. So everything that UPSC demand is not there, or sometimes news are bogus and you do not know what is the important news. For that I will suggest you, rather than reading the newspaper, देखिए editorial तो compulsory है, and I will tell you the source also. Editorial तो compulsory है newspaper का, एडिटोरियल ओपिनियन भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं। एडिटोरियल ओपिनियन के जो पेज होते हैं अलग अलग जगह पर अलग अलग नाम है, डिफरेंट पेपर्स हैव डिफरेंट टाइटल्स फॉर दैट। स्किप द रिमेनिंग ऑफ द पेपर, in its place what you can do, take any magazine, but what kind of magazine? UPSC magazine, any magazine, any institute in India, whatever institute provide for UPSC coaching, ठीक है। quality may vary but there is no large difference. Some institute may have a very good quality magazine, some may have a bit lower quality, but more or less they are same, more or less। बहुत रेयर डिफरेंस होगा कि देयर मे बी समथिंग गुड समथिंग बैड, बट जनरली क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रिंटेड करंट अफेयर्स कॉपीज दैट यू गेट. सॉफ्ट कॉपीज आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन ईच इंस्टीट्यूट वेबसाइट मोर और लेस. ठीक है, फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन पिक और यू कैन गो इन टू द मार्केट प्लेसेज लाइक इफ यू आर इन दिल्ली, यू नो राजेंद्र प्लेस, करोल बाग, मुखर्जी नगर, यू कैन गेट दिस. लक्ष्मी नगर में भी यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट दिस. ठीक है, apart from that, if you are living outside of Delhi, I would suggest do not waste your time in coming Delhi. If you do not have the money, go to online portal. Every institute nowadays, Delhi based institute, have an online portal, and in that online portal you can get current affairs magazines. For example, our institute Plutus IAS also provide this. You can go to Plutus IAS website and get it. I'm not suggesting ki go with Plutus IAS, it's up to you. We are here for information, not selling anything here. Okay, keep that in mind. So editorials and opinion analysis. Skip the remaining of the paper. You could not understand that. Go with a magazine of any UPSC institute. Plutus ke liye I told you there is a portal, and here you can get every information. All the important events that is UPSC relevant are covered in that magazine. Bas. These are the two minimum. ये तो मिनिमम है और ये सफिशिएंट मिनिमम है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग मिनिमम का मतलब कि ये कम पड़ेगा, नहीं, इट इज सफिशिएंट मिनिमम. इसके साथ आपको टेस्ट सीरीज करनी पड़ेगी, वो अलग डिबेट है. समटाइम वी विल मेक अ वीडियो ओवर दैट आल्सो कि कैसे क्या करना है. ठीक है, सो एडिटोरियल एंड रिमेनिंग के लिए मैगजीन, दिस इज मिनिमम. इसके ऊपर जो है अबव दिस एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर टाइम, कि हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव विद यू. More time, less time, 1 year preparation strategy, 3 year preparation strategy, 5 year preparation strategy, depend करता है. Some students start with in 12th class itself, some students start after in bachelor, some students start after bachelors. So it's a vary from person to person and depending upon your time availability. Remember, मैं बार बार ये बात मैं emphasize कर रहा हूँ, I'm emphasizing it again and again कि after minimum everything depends on your time availability. For that you can go with government magazine like Yojana and Kurukshetra if you want. For that you can go with Yojana and Kurukshetra. And for schemes, even schemes के लिए if you want you can go with economic survey, भी आपके पास अच्छा न्यूज देता है. ठीक है, apart from this you can go for राज्यसभा debates. राज्यसभा टीवी also, संसद टीवी जो आपका होता है, संसद टीवी पर आप डिबेट देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, दीज आर लॉस के लिए अगर आपको चाहिए तो prs.org होती है, prs.org. prs.org is a website which provide deep analysis of the laws. You can go there. For laws you can go to prs.org. For other kind of debate and discussion you could go to Sansad TV, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha TV. There are numerous channels. Yojana and Kurukshetra, government magazines, economic survey, budget speed. These all are the things which can append your current affairs, but they are above minimum. Minimum and sufficient condition ये है. ये आपके लिए मैं फिर सजेस्ट कर रहा हूं, अगर आपकी 1 year प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी है, इनको भूल जाइए, वेस्ट मत कीजिए आपका टाइम. योर टाइम इज प्रेशियस. डू मिनिमम बट सफिशिएंट. दिस इज मिनिमम. एडिटोरियल पढ़िए, एनालिसिस कीजिए, स्किप करिए, बाकी पेपर को फेंक दीजिए, एंड मैगजीन्स को कवर करके आप लिखिए. कवर द मैगजीन एंड मैगजीन से यू कैन गेट द कंटेंट. अब आता है कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है कंटेंट को, हाउ टू यूज. अब तो हमने समझ लिया कि करना क्या है. अब नेक्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू यूज. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू यूज दैट कंटेंट. जहां तक बात है यूज की, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, इफ यू आर रीडिंग एनी मैगजीन, मान लेते हैं यू रीड एनी मैगजीन, प्लस If you are attending classroom program, which I suggest, if you can, please do it. If you can attend classroom program, we also provide this classroom program. I myself take the current affairs. You can attend that also, or any institute you like. Okay, that's up to you. Classroom programs plus editorials in newspaper. इन सब से आपको क्या करना है? Extract content. Extract content and put that content where? Put that content in your notes book. That's very important. Notes book which you make in classroom program, या if you have attended or do not attend, जो भी केस बनता हो, notes book, one source for everything. मान लेते you attend a classroom program. In classroom program में you will make a notes book. Once you study a topic, मान लेते President of India you studied, तो classroom program में notes book में you will write President of India everything. Append that with any book. मान लेते Lakshmikant, there are numerous books. You study any polity book, President of India. You will take the content out of it, put it in your notes and throw the book. Then current affairs, any magazine, any classroom program, any newspaper of only current affairs. You will pick content from those files and write in your notes only, and then throw those notes also. Throw those books and whatever sources are there. Keep only your notes book. So your notes book has classroom content, extra content from the standard books and current affairs content. So when your prelims will be near, na, you have one concrete book known as your notes book to study. Do not behave like, I have seen a lot of students, they maintain a stockpile of magazine, newspaper, पता क्या क्या रखते हैं. नहीं चाहिए भाई, वो यहाँ चाहिए. We want that book, we want that newspaper here, not on your desk, not in your room. That's why I always say that less the books, the less the newspaper, the less the magazine you have in your rooms, it means the more you have here. तो उसके लिए कैसे करना है? पर कहीं तो लिखना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा याद भी रखना पड़ता है, तो उसके लिए लिखना पड़ता है. That you have to do with the notes book. मैं फिर रिपीट करता हूँ, make a classroom book. In that write everything. Update that content from static standard books. Write that, and whenever current event take place, extract content from the current events, either in institute magazine, in our classroom program, or newspaper editorial. Pick that content, write in the same topic in your notes book, and throw everything else except your notebook. Common sense notebook कैसे फेंकोगे? ठीक है? And that becomes your only source. So whenever you have to revise, you need only one book. Pick your notes book, revise it, and done. Otherwise, what you have to do? Revise your notes book, revise your notebook, revise the book, and then revise the current affairs PPTs or PDF, whatever you have. Waste of time. I hope this is making sense. Okay? So I hope you got something out of it, and if it helps you, I will be very happy. I am not saying whether you join the institute, that's a different debate. If you join the institute or not, वो मुझे नहीं पता. But I will be very happy if you get even 1% out of it. Okay, try this, and I hope you like this video. We will keep on making such videos about various small things about UPSC that troubles the students a lot. And if you have personal query, you can write in the comment. We will surely answer for that. Okay, just have a nice day and best of luck. Bye bye.